Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm scheduled to talk about little bit a blogger and maintain your blogger posting automatically. Yes, automatically. You don't have to lift a finger. There is a service called RSS Ground which give you the facility to automatically make posting to your social media pages, to your Facebook, to your Instagram, to your blogger, etc, etc. So on the screen you can see this is my blog, and the blog name is Sylvie Sale. You can see it like this. Yeah, blogger. I made this blog, and on free membership I am posting automatically post to my this page, to my blogger. Look at this. This is the inside of the blogger, and here is my blog page. So these posting here are these posting about Samsung mobile, which is my keyword and my subject. I'm posting about Samsung, I'm posting about latest Nokia, Android, and I'm posting about mobile news. So I wanted to show you how did I do this. For this you will have to go to the RSS Ground website. This is rssground.com. Here is my name, Mr. Mahit Khan, and I'm already signed in. When you come to this website, you have to first sign up, you have to register yourself, and then you get a free membership. By default, according to free membership, you can do one posting campaign and one content widget campaign, which I would like to show you how do we do this in this website. By the way, there are plenty of help available, video tutorials, knowledge, but I thought that I should in shortcut tell you that how do you do this posting campaign to your blogger. If you have one blog, so you don't have to buy a subscription, but if you have many blogs, then this is a very interesting facility. You can avail it, and it would be a good product for you to buy it for peace of mind, to make easy your life, because everyone is busy nowadays, so we don't have time to make posts. We do want to make posts, but we don't have time. So look at this, guys. This will be your main page, and here will be your name, like my name, and from here you start your campaign. Look, when I am going to search for feeds, I will be searching feeds from here, public feeds, private feeds. You can know about learn about here inside in this website what are the public feeds and what are the private feeds. But our subject and our main focus is today on posting campaigns. Look at these posting campaigns. When I clicked, I got posting campaigns. Now look at this one campaign is this time active, and from here and this edit tool you can see that I have told this posting campaign to post to my this Sylvie Sale blog. You can see that I have few more blogs, but this campaign is working for this Sylvie Sale. So how do we make this? Let's see it a little bit. I want to make new. If this posting campaign is active here, I cannot make another campaign then, because I am only allowed for one. If I try from here and I say blogger campaign, it's stopping me because I'm allowed to run only one posting campaign. But I have made few, and for when you want to make a few campaign and then after 2 days or 3 days you want to deactivate one campaign and you want to activate another campaign, so you can do this. I select this and I want to deactivate this. It is deactivated. Now when I go to for a campaign, I want to make a blogger campaign, blogger automated posting. So here this is, you can select from here. You have to search for public feeds, generate a private feeds. I'm going to make a public feeds, because if I click on generate a private feeds, for this I don't see a blogger here. This private feeds are working for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, for YouTube, for many of these social websites. You can automatically post to these as well, according to your subject and according to your keyword. RSS ground will search throughout the internet, and private feeds, by the way, also search posts which is not available in the internet, and RSS ground will also post you such posts for you. For this you will have to play with this, and you will have to run it in order to find out what exactly these are doing. So I'm going to click on search for public feeds. These are such public feeds: political, international, sports news. For example, I'm going to select a fashion. Look at this. You select search for public feeds, and from here I'm going to select a fashion. On fashion there are many auto permitted posts are available. Look at this: fashion gone rogu, fashion squad, fashion SMO, the fashion is 2. I am going to pick the fashion gone. Look at this. Select it. Now with selected, you press to add to posting campaigns. Select for blogger. Click continue. From here, authenticate your blogger. This is the email I use my blogger under this email. So I'm already signed in. So the system brought me this. I'm on this page. I'm going to click on my email and my name. If you are not signed in already to your blogger, please sign in to your blog, so you will get this screen. Here you select allow the RSS ground to post on your behalf to your blog. Permitted. Now from here you have to select your blog name. If you have many blog, you have to select worldwide fashion updates, I'm going to post it to my this blog. In here, being a free membership, I am only allowed to make one post in 24 hours. On paid subscription, there are many other attractive and most helpful packages from which we can select and we can professionally adopt this RSS ground to post on our behalf to our social pages and to our bloggers maybe. From here you have to click on save campaigns. Now I have one more campaign here. Look at this. Now this campaign is in progress. For example, if I want to post to example, I don't want to activate this one, I want to activate this one instead. I will select here activate, so this one will get activated. I can also activate all of them. Look at this. Now cancel, activate. Now all of them are activated. Look at this. One is still to go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and I click activate. Now all of them are activated. But since that I am on a free membership, I don't know how it is going to post to my blog. Maybe it is this one run, or maybe this one run, or maybe this one run. And I have given my different blogs in these campaigns. I'm testing it and it's working, and you can see and witness here that these posts to my blogs are auto posted by the RSS ground, and these are very attractive and beautiful and helpful posts, and according to my subject and my keyword I like it. So I'm convinced, and I have taken the services of RSS ground. So guys, the same way you can select from here the tools. You can click on my account page, and from here you can select a content widget. This is also the same kind of facility. By making a content widgets, you search for your related material, and then you received a code, and the same code then you have to paste in your you go to your blogger, you go to your layout like this, you add a gadget, and from here you select HTML JavaScript like this, and you post it here, the code that you made about for your content gadgets. You post it here, and then the same kind of content coming to your page, and when those contents are updating or the RSS ground search engine found new content, it's also time and again updating the contents in your blog, so your blog always seem fresh and changing with the capacity according to your membership with RSS ground. So I hope guys you like this video and it is helpful for you, and in future I'll bring you more helpful video, and if anything is unclear, you can write me in comments. I will try my best to help you. Take care guys. Bye bye.